Create a new file, add a body, now add a sketch. Select XY plane, draw a rectangle, make the length and breadth to be equal so that it becomes a square. Set side length as 5 mm, set its horizontal distance from origin as 50 mm and vertical distance as 30 mm. Take its mirror image about x-axis, y-axis and origin. Now create 5 more bodies. Rename this as leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4 top and bottom. Put the mirrored sketches in leg 2, 3 and 4. Pad these legs up to a height of 40 mm. Now make the top body active and sketch a rectangle. Use symmetric constraint for diagonal points about center, so that origin is at the center of rectangle. Set the horizontal distance of a point from origin to be 55 mm and vertical distance as 35 mm. Move it 39 mm along positive z-axis and pad it for 5 mm. Similarly, draw a rectangle for bottom and set horizontal distance as 46 mm and vertical distance as 26 mm. Move it 7 mm along positive z-axis and pad it for 5 mm. Now select the top layer of the rectangle and draw a strip of 5 mm width and slice it. Select Create a linear pattern feature. Put length as 75 mm and occurrences as 9. Unhide the top body using spacebar. Now export it as STL file. Open the file in Cura. Slice it. The object would get printed in the following pattern. We can also change the profile and infill percent according to our convenience. The time required for printing will also change.